Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to market a high in demand product, and it probably always will be in demand. And I'm going to show you how to set that up, how to do it, and places to advertise it. So you're going to want to stick around and see this whole video. So let's go ahead and get started on this here right now. First of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator YouTube channel, as you see here. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, or you're on this video and haven't subscribed yet, just reach down there right now while you're thinking about it and hit that subscribe button you see right there. And don't forget to click the little bell that's right there as well, so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. Okay? Alright, well, let's go ahead and get started on this. What I'm going to show you here today, a method that's easy to do here. As you see, I've written some things down here. It's easy method. It's 100% free to do anywhere in the world. I'm going to show you how to set this up. It's easy to set up, doesn't take long. And I'm going to show you some places that you can advertise it for free to drive even more sales to this particular method. Okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on this here video here. And what we're going to do here first, we're going to come over to Fiverr here. We're going to be using Fiverr. It's one of my favorite sites, and you can get services off of here for just about anything that you can think of, for really cheap prices and good quality service as well. Alrighty, but what we're going to be doing is we're not going to be purchasing any services today or anything like that. We are actually going to offer a service that is in high demand, and it's something that everyone needs. Alright, so what we're going to do right here in the Fiverr search engine, we're going to type in here targeted website traffic. As you see, targeted website traffic is something that everybody needs. If you have a website and you want to get traffic to your website, one of the ways to do that is to come to Fiverr, and you can get that done. If you have a landing page, which is also called a website, and you want to drive targeted traffic to your offers, you can do that here on Fiverr. So if we type that in there and click search, and we come up with lots of different services to do with driving traffic to people's websites and so on and so forth. What we're going to do here is we're going to search by relevance over here, but we're going to search by best selling. And you can see that right now, which, by the way, here, since this popped up here, if you don't have an account with Fiverr, you can sign up with your Facebook or Google account, or create a local account here. It's just easy enough to come up here and click join. It's free to do. Like I said, this whole method is going to be free to do. What we're going to do here is we're looking at the best rated traffic services here, and you can see, for example, this one right here is the best rated, and he's got 4.8 star rating and 451 reviews, as you see right here. Let me get my magnifier up here and I can zoom in on this for you. 4.8 and 451 reviews on his particular service here. He says, I will send keyword targeted USA website traffic with low bounce rate. And there's a lot of other people here too as well that offer this particular service too. Unlimited Google organic keyword targeted traffic, and so on and so forth. If we click on this, you can see that he's got his basic package here is at $10, and then he'll drive 300 to 500 US only for 30 days. He's got a standard package of $20, which is 750 to 1,000, and a premium package for $30, 1,300 to 1,500 daily for $30 as well. Now, what you want to do here is when you come here to Fiverr, is you want to create your gig in selling website traffic. Now hold on a moment. You don't have to worry about how to get the traffic. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay? This is going to require, once you set this up, the initial work to set this up is all you're going to need to do. After that, there's no work involved here, and you're going to be able to make some really good money with this. Now, pay attention here. Now, what you want to do is you want to click on Become a Seller up here. When you click on that, you can also join Fiverr right this way too. When you click on Become a Seller, it's going to come up here, and you can join Fiverr right here as well. But after you get signed in, you want to make sure, of course, that you check your email, because I believe Fiverr will send a confirmation email to your email account or address that you use here to set this up with. And then once you do get logged into your Fiverr account, signed in, you want to come back and click on Become a Seller here. And it will walk you through about 5 or 6 pages to setting up your gig on Fiverr. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to model your gig after somebody like this that's got a really good rating and a lot of high amount of reviews here. Currently, right now, if you look, this fella has 81 orders in his queue waiting on him right now. So he's making some pretty good money here with his getting traffic here for people's websites. This is a high demand thing. Everybody needs traffic. And you can model your gig after this one. You don't want to copy it exactly, but you can model it after this one, or whichever other one that you find that you like. You can model your gig when you set it up after these gigs right here. One thing you want to do is you want to make sure you come all the way down to your gig that you're modeling after, and you want to use their related tags that you see right here. You can use these tags or any other tags that you want to use, because the tags are rated for Google search engine. Your gig will get ranked up in the Google search engine, so you want to make sure you use good tags related to your gig. So we got our gig set up now here. You can choose a basic, standard, or premium. You can just use basic. I would set my price about, I think the prices seem to run, there's $10, $5, $10, $5. Here's one at 20, another one at 20, and the rest of them seem to be from $5 to about $20. You can set your gig at about $15 or $10, whatever you want to do, or $5. It's up to you. So how are we going to drive? We got our gig set up now. How are we going to drive or service our customers, I guess I should say, how are we going to get them the targeted website traffic that they ask us for when they put in their order in our queue, right? Well, what you're going to do is you'll come over here to this site right here, SEOClerks. You guys have seen me do this before, probably in other videos, because this just flat out works. A lot of people are doing this. And if we do the same thing here at SEOClerks, we typed in their search engine right here, targeted website traffic. You see that right above my head right there. And I sorted by rating over here. It's sort by different things right here. I sorted by the highest rating, and it brought up this guy right here. For example, this one here is unlimited targeted real human website traffic for $9. Here's a good one right here, 5,000 quality targeted traffic to your website for $1. So you could set your gig up on Fiverr to drive 5,000 quality country targeted traffic to people's websites and charge $5, $10, $15, whatever you want to charge. I wouldn't set it too high. You want to keep it in a good average versus the way the rest of them are on Fiverr, right? So when you get an order from Fiverr on your gig, when you get an order, you're going to simply come over here to SEOClerks, and you're going to find someone that will get you the traffic for pretty cheap. Like here's one will drive 110,000 targeted human traffics for just $5. And then what you'll do is you'll hire, for example, this person here. If you set yours up for 5,000 or 110,000 traffic, whatever, and you'll hire this person to drive the traffic to your customer's website, because you're going to ask your customer for their website address and any other pertinent information that you think may be needed to help you get this traffic to their website or their landing page, whatever that is, right? And you'll simply pay this person here to drive that traffic for you to your customer's website, to help them get more targeted traffic in their business or to their website or their blog or whatever. And that's how you make money. Now, when you set up your gig, what you want to do is you want to use, these are about the same size as YouTube thumbnails. When you set up your gig, you want to create a good thumbnail, and you can do that at Canva right here. If you come to canva.com, you see it up here in the address bar, canva.com here. You can do it for free here, and as you see, I'm already signed into my free account here. What you want to do is click on Create a Design, and you can come down here and choose YouTube Thumbnail right here. And then what it does, well, they're going to want me to log in here, I guess, but anyways, click on YouTube Thumbnail, and what that'll do is we'll open it up and it'll see a thumbnail, and it's easy enough to drag and drop and create your own thumbnail for your gig on Fiverr. Like you see here, it looks like this is a custom-made thumbnail. Some of these are not custom, and some of them are, it looks like. So if that's one way to do it, you can create a free design on Canva and save it, and you can also download it all for free right to your computer. Now, they do have a paid version on Canva, but you don't need that. And if you'd rather not design your own thumbnail, you can just simply come over to google.com, and if you look right here in Google search engine, I simply typed in targeted website traffic, and then I clicked on images right here, and that brought up all these images. You can just right click and copy and save any of these images to your computer and use that on your gig when you set it up on Fiverr. You can add more than one gig, or I'm sorry, not one gig, but more than one picture or thumbnail, and it's up to you. I think you're allowed up to 10 or 15 thumbnail or pictures to help drive traffic to your Fiverr gig. Okay, now, so you have your gig set up. You see the method on how you're going to make money. What you're going to do is come bring your customer over here, pay like $1 for 5,000 or whatever you set your gig up. Hire a person to do that here on SEOClerks, and then you just pocket the difference from what you sold it for and what you paid the person on SEOClerks to drive the traffic to your customer's website and or landing page. All right, or blog, whichever. Ways that you can advertise this. Like I told you, I was going to show you ways to advertise for free. You can go to facebook.com. Click on groups, log into your account at Facebook. Click on groups and type in targeted website traffic. You'll find lots of groups that will talk about how to get traffic to their website or blog, and you can offer your gig and your service right there in those groups. Now make sure that you give a good thoughtful comment, and then just put your gig down at the bottom of that so people can see it, and that will drive traffic over to your gig on Fiverr. All right, same thing, you can put your link in Instagram. If you have an Instagram account, you can put it there. How about on Pinterest? You can do it there. How about on classified sites that people that would want to drive traffic? And I'm telling you, website traffic is high in demand every single day of every year. Everybody needs traffic to their website, and they're just use your creativity and imagination on different ways that you can advertise other than what I've just told you on how you can do that. Okay, alrighty guys, well that's the method I had for you today. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy, and you can make up to $100 a day or more eventually as you grow your Fiverr gig over time. Just stick with it and don't give up. Alrighty guys, well guys, that's what I had for you today. Come over here and take action on this and get your gig set up on Fiverr and give a high in demand service to people that need this day in and day out. Also, don't forget to click down there and hit that subscribe button and click the bell. Also, give me a thumbs up if you see the power in this particular method here. Also, don't forget, if you also have a business that you want to get up online, an affiliate marketing business, and you're not quite sure how to set that up, well, you want to reach down there and click where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come over to my website or my landing page, put your email in, go through the back of my funnel, and find out what is available there for you that can help you get your business up online in about 15 short steps or days. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care and have an awesome day. Bye-bye now.